Your Dutchess County Retail Plaza's experience begins the moment a customer drives onto your property. But what if nearly 40% of your potential customers decide to leave before they even park? This isn't a fluke. Studies show up to 40% of drivers actively avoid centers due to parking difficulties. That's lost foot traffic for your tenants and lost income for you. Your pavement is either a welcome mat or a keep out sign. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal the hidden costs of a bad lot and the strategy to boost value without losing a single day of business. So, what is your parking lot truly costing you? The answer is almost certainly far more than you think. Let's talk numbers. Delaying a simple repair for just 3 years can inflate the cost by 42%. Small cracks become big problems fast. Worse, a $10,000 annual maintenance item can balloon into a $500,000 full reconstruction. That is the cost of waiting. Beyond repairs, a bad lot is a liability magnet. Trip and fall lawsuits, ADA compliance issues, and friction in lease negotiations. But the financial drain goes deeper than direct costs. How does your pavement actively suppress your property's core value every single day? It begins with the first impression. A crumbling, poorly lit lot instantly devalues every tenant inside in the plaza as a whole. This isn't about aesthetics, it's psychology. A bad first impression creates a subtle feeling of neglect and can make shoppers feel unsafe. This experience affects your tenant's success. If customers feel unwelcome, they spend less time and money. Happy tenants with high sales renew their leases. We've seen how neglect drains value. But what happens when you turn this liability into an asset? The return on investment is staggering. Consider this. One professionally finished parking stall does more than look good. It can significantly add to your annual triple net rent and substantially increase your property's total valuation. More customers means higher tenant sales, which justifies higher rents and boosts your cap rate. The value is undeniable. But the biggest fear for any plaza owner is disruption. The idea that you must choose between a great lot and steady revenue is a myth. The solution is strategic execution. The first pillar is phased paving. We divide your property into zones, ensuring traffic flow is always maintained. The second pillar is after-hours paving. Work happens when your plaza is closed. Your tenants open the next morning to a brand new, accessible surface. The glue holding this all together is proactive communication. Clear signage and detailed plans mean no surprises for shoppers or delivery trucks. With this three-part strategy, phasing, after-hours work, and communication, you get all the benefits of a new lot with zero operational downtime, so you can do it without disruption. But how do you ensure the project is a long-term investment, not just a temporary fix? Modern paving is a science. Advanced asphalt mixes now include recycled materials that increase durability and resistance to cracking. We also use advanced equipment for optimal thickness and smoothness, eliminating weak spots from the start and maximizing lifespan. Most importantly, a structured pavement management plan can literally double your pavement's lifespan from 10 to 20 years or more. With all these tools, what is the single most important mindset shift a plaza owner must make to get the full value from their property? The answer is to stop seeing your parking lot as a maintenance cost and start treating it as your most powerful revenue-generating asset. Remember that $500,000 reconstruction? A management plan transforms that liability into the engine that creates real asset value. And the 40% of customers actively avoiding you? The zero downtime strategy allows you to win them back without disrupting your current business. It all comes together here. The welcome effect of a pristine lot is not just a feeling, it's the start of a value chain to happier tenants and higher rents. The path is clear. A proactive, strategic, and non-disruptive approach to your pavement is one of the highest ROI investments you can make. For retail plaza owners in Poughkeepsie and Dutchess County, the choice is no longer between a disruptive project and a deteriorating property. We've shown that neglect is exponentially expensive, that strategic paving generates massive ROI, and that it can all be done with zero loss of revenue. Stop letting your parking lot dictate your potential. It's time to take control. Contact us for a pavement management plan for your Hudson Valley property. Transform your plaza's biggest liability into its most valuable, welcoming, and profitable asset. Start paving your path to a higher valuation today.